Today I'm going to show you 2 refreshing ways to enjoy mango with our delicious mouth-watering salad recipes. So get ready to tantalize your taste buds with mango salad recipe 2 ways. The first salad has an Indian style dressing. So let's mix up a few vegetables in a bowl. I have a lot of colorful ingredients on the counter. Let's toss them up together. I have 1 cucumber here, diced, half a capsicum, half a green capsicum diced, 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes halved, 1 carrot diced, 1 cup of sprouted moong. The ingredients that have gone into this bowl are all in raw form, but if you wish, you can toss it up in a little bit of oil for 2 minutes. And now goes in the hero of the recipe, which is mango. I'm using Alfonso. Of course, you can use any mango of your choice. Time to make the dressing now. So in this bottle, I'm going to mix up a few spices. Add in half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of powdered sugar, lemon juice, a little more. Let's shake all these ingredients together. Let's pour the dressing over the salad. Toss it up together. Make sure you add in the dressing just before serving. And all the ingredients need to be nice and chilled. This sprout and mango salad is ready with an Indian tangy dressing. And now let's move on to the next salad, which is a Thai mango salad. I'm going to start with heating a tablespoon of oil. Turn on the flame. Add half a teaspoon of chili flakes in a bowl. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 spring onion finely chopped, a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Let's pour the hot oil. Preferably, you can use sesame oil for this recipe or any other oil is okay. I'm going to add in a few more ingredients. A tablespoon of red chili sauce, a tablespoon of ginger juice, a tablespoon of soy sauce, some finely chopped coriander leaves, and a few mint leaves. And lastly, a heaped tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix all these ingredients together. The dressing is ready and now let's toss up the vegetables. Add in a cup of shredded cabbage, 1 cucumber cut into juliennes, 1 carrot julienned, 1 small onion shredded, half a green capsicum, half a red capsicum, slices of 1 Alfonso. Let's squeeze in some lemon juice. You could even add it into the dressing, but I prefer seeing the quantity of the salad ingredients and then adding it in. Salt to taste. The same tip goes in for this salad as well. Make sure all your vegetables, mango and everything is nicely chilled. Add in the dressing just before serving. Mix all these ingredients properly. Garnish with some roasted peanuts, some sesame seeds, and coriander leaves. My 2 bowls of refreshing mango salad is ready. Do try this recipe during the summer and enjoy with your family and friends. I'm sure you're going to love it. Comment below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.